Hello everyone! I want to show you a neat little trick that recently saved me a lot of time. So I recently got a bug report from Grant's dev on my drag and drop add-on for Godot, which said that the draggable movement wasn't framerate independent. Now here's the classic problem: on my machine everything looked perfectly fine. How do you even test something like this? And even if, let's say, I didn't test and I just tried the solution, how could I tell that the solution and my fix is actually working? Well, here's the trick. Godot actually lets you cap the game's FPS by modifying the engine max FPS property. So I created a label and a slider to view and control this value, and I used the slider's value change signal to update the label and FPS. Let me tell you, at lower FPS the problem was crystal clear. While the previous implementation was overshooting and oscillating pretty badly, the suggested solution stayed consistent. And yeah, while a simple thing, I figured that I could be saving someone else's time, and I don't know, maybe this could be extended into some hardware panel which allows you to simulate different environments. So for example, we could simulate network stuff like packet loss or latency issues, or maybe just spawn a bunch of things to see how our game behaves in that case. But anyway, before I get carried away with ideas, I would like to see yours in the comments. So thanks a lot for watching, thanks a lot to my supporters, and see you in the next one. Bye bye!